Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Healthy Weight Loss with Himanshu. So आज मैं कुछ नई रेसिपी ट्राई करने जा रहा हूँ और इसे देख के आपको पता ही चल रहा होगा कि आज मैं क्या बनाने वाला हूँ. So let's begin guys. For today's recipe we will need tofu, we will need tomato and capsicum, Himalayan pink salt, some oregano and red chili. And just to give it a creamy taste, I'm going to add fresh yogurt. So guys, let's begin. This recipe is a healthy protein rich recipe. In this there is no fats, no oil. So guys, today I'm going to make tofu pizza, which is not made by using a bread base. Instead of that, we are going to use tofu base. So guys, let's begin by heating the pan first. After heating the pan for 2 minutes, we need to place the tofu in the pan. So friends, after the tofu is grilled, just preheat the oven for 5 minutes. So after the tofu is grilled, we will start to add the toppings. Now it's time to add some spices. These are chili flakes, some oregano, and a pinch of salt. Friends, now it's time to place the tofu pizza in the oven. So friends, as you all know that pizza is incomplete without cheese, so now it's time to make our low-fat cheese with the fresh yogurt. So now I'm going to add half tablespoon of black pepper powder and a pinch of Himalayan pink salt. As you can see, the vegetables are nicely cooked and the tofu pizza is looking nice and fresh. So it's time to do nice yogurt dressing. So friends, let's begin with the plating. Our yummy pizza is ready to serve. This yummy protein pizza is made from tofu. This is very rich, high rich in protein. It has no oil, no cheese, and it also helps you to reduce your weight. Believe me, you'll love this pizza. Why don't you give it a try? Give it a try and do leave comments how it was. Thank you. So friends, for more such recipes, do like, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.